Wix tracking tools aren't loading on Wix. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can fix tracking tools aren't loading on Wix. First, open your Wix dashboard and go to Settings, then Tracking and Analytics. Make sure your tracking code is correctly pasted in Head section and that it's enabled. Click Save and Publish your site so the changes go live. Next, clear your browser's cache. For that, you want to click on the three dots, then find the option of Delete browsing data. Now select the time range, set that to all time. Check these three boxes and click on the delete data option. If that doesn't work, you want to open an incognito window. For that, click on these three dots, then select new incognito window and check if your problem is fixed over here. You also want to disable any ad blockers or privacy extensions that might block tracking script, then reload your site. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.